Hello darlings, welcome back to my cozy kitchen here at Apron and Mill. Today we are making the best ever fresh milled flour brownies. Fudgy, chewy, and oh so chocolatey. First we mill 219 grams of soft white wheat berries. Listen to that cheerful hum. Soft white wheat is perfect for brownies. Low protein means tender, fudgy results every time. In a large bowl, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Dutch cocoa, pour in melted butter, oh my goodness, that chocolate aroma is heavenly. Add eggs, one by one, whisking until glossy. Add vanilla, whisk until shiny. Gently fold in our fresh flour with a spatula, just until combined. Here's a little secret. Let the batter rest 10 minutes. Fresh milled flour needs this hydration time for perfect chewiness. Preheat 325 degrees Fahrenheit while resting. Spread into our greased and floured 9x13 glass dish. And bake 35 minutes until crinkly on top. Cool completely. Patience, darlings. Cut into squares, arrange on some beautiful depression glass, and dust with powdered sugar. You know, I like to drizzle a little heavy cream over warm pieces. Doesn't that look glamorous? There you have it, sweethearts. My best fresh milled brownies fit for any occasion. Try them and tell me in the comments your favorite topping. Like if this made you smile, and subscribe for more vintage charm with fresh milled magic. I'll see you next time.